No, so guys, so we are back with the second part of the reaction where we get to the second clip of Dante reacting to Cory drama, and this where I feel like it get funny.
The nigga wanna fuck. Oh no, he's such a bad person. He's such a
Uh,
bad person that this nigga wants the pussy. Oh my god, it's so shocking. I guarantee the nigga wanna fuck. Oh no, he's such a bad person. He's such a bad person that this nigga wants the pussy. Oh my god, it's so shocking. I guarantee there was some.
You know what? How much you want to bet that was the case? That was the case. That was the case with a lot of niggas. They just mad because they see themselves in coryxkenshin and like, damn, I thought he'd be so cool that he wouldn't even need to be acting like me to try to get some pussy. But like, no, bro, he just as human as you, bro. He going through the same shit that you going through because you know why? Because you don't understand. You don't understand your path. Cory, he don't even understand his path, bro. Everybody's still finding they purpose in life, living it, being guided by it, you know? And you gotta look at stuff like this and take this as a cautionary tale of how not to treat your girlfriend. Simply take this as a cautionary tale for how not to treat your girlfriend. The only reason why you guys really are letting this slide is because this is the same shit that y'all do. You relate to it. You relate to it. That's why you pass it by, because it's like you do the same thing. But at some point, y'all gotta start holding each other accountable for each other actions. Go ahead and talk to him, Dante.
Brain dead fans. I guarantee there were some brain dead fans in here who were like, Cory kissing me fucking.
Hey, that's nigga. It's not even my choice, I mean. No, how nigga be thinking for real, bro. They be like, oh man, how come he gets a pussy, but I don't? This is a bullshit. I want some pussy. I'm a nice guy. I do whatever it takes, type shit. Niggas